Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how you can get access to a variety of powerful AI tools all in one place? What if you could generate stunning images, create incredible text content, and even explore advanced models like GPT-4o or DeepSeek, all without jumping between different platforms? Well, today we're talking about Global GPT. But what makes it stand out from the rest? How easy is it to use, and can it really help you unlock your creative potential or take your projects to the next level? Stick around as we dive into everything Global GPT has to offer, and let's find out if it's the AI solution you've been looking for. You can get access to Global GPT starting at just $5, which includes all the amazing tools like DeepSeek, Grok, Claude Sonnet, and Flux. Compare that to ChatGPT, which costs $20 per month for only chat-based features. So, for a fraction of the price, Global GPT gives you a complete toolkit to elevate your projects. Make sure to check the link in the video description and click on it to create your account on Global GPT. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the software dashboard where all the magic happens. Let's take a quick look at how to navigate it and get started with these amazing tools. Ready? Let's dive in. Here, you'll find the My Tools option along with tabs like Recommended, Explore, and more. Let's check them out and see how they can help you make the most of the platform. The My Tools option in Global GPT allows you to easily access and manage all the AI tools you're using, making it simple to stay organized. First, let's try DeepSeek. Click on the Add button to get started. Once it's added, you can begin chatting with it. Let's ask the first question. Who is the world's strongest man? And see what DeepSeek has to say. Here are the results from DeepSeek. Now, let's try another tool. Grok. Click on the Add button to add Grok, and then let's ask it the same question. Who is the world's strongest man? Let's see how it responds. Now, let's move on to the next tool, Claude Sonnet. Click on the Add button to add it to your tools. Once added, you can start using it for creative tasks. Let's see how Claude Sonnet performs and explore what it can do. That's it! All the tools we've explored, DeepSeek, Grok, and Claude Sonnet, are truly incredible, delivering impressive results. Whether you're looking for powerful chat capabilities, creative generation, or advanced reasoning, these tools have got you covered. Definitely worth checking out if you want to take your projects to the next level. Now, let's dive into the image generating tool. In this section, you have access to several models like Midjourney, Flux, and Ideogram, each offering unique features for creating visuals. This time, we'll focus on the Flux model. To get started, enter a detailed prompt describing the image you want to generate. After that, choose your desired aspect ratio. This determines the width and height of the image. Next, you can pick between two versions of Flux. Flux Pro offers high quality and detailed results. Flux Pro 1.1, a slightly updated version with some improvements in style and performance. Once you've selected everything, click the Generate button and the tool will work its magic to create your image based on your inputs. Now, let's try the Ideogram image generator. Just like before, start by entering your prompt. Describe the image you want as clearly as possible. Then, choose the aspect ratio that fits your vision. Ideogram offers several creative styles like realistic, for lifelike images, anime, perfect for stylized animated looks, general, balanced for all kinds of art. Once you've set all your options, click the Generate button and watch as Ideogram brings your idea to life with just a few clicks. Next up, we have the video generator, and this time we're going to try the Runway model. To start, upload your reference image. This helps guide the look and feel of the video. Then, enter your prompt describing the scene or action you want to generate. After that, you'll see some further settings you can customize. Set the aspect ratio for your video, like 16:9 or 9:16. Duration, select how long you want the video to be. Once everything is set, just hit the Generate button and the tool will create a video based on your input. Let's see what it makes. Next, we have the coding tools, which include options like web page, software development, and engineering learning. These tools are great for developers, learners, or anyone looking to build tech projects with the help of AI. This time, let's try the web page tool. Simply enter a command, for example, create a portfolio website, and let the tool do its job. It will automatically generate the necessary HTML, CSS, and sometimes even JavaScript code to bring your website idea to life. Once you run the command, just wait a few seconds and watch as the tool builds your portfolio site from scratch. So that's how simple and powerful Global GPT is. All you have to do is type in your prompt. For example, give me the code and Global GPT will instantly generate the complete HTML, CSS, and even JavaScript code needed for your site. No need to start from scratch. The tool handles everything and gives you clean, ready-to-use code you can copy, edit, and publish in minutes. This is perfect for students, freelancers, or anyone looking to build a website quickly with the help of AI. As a bonus tip, let me show you one more awesome feature, the healthcare tool. This tool can help you with things like creating a weight loss plan, tracking health goals, and even offering fitness or diet suggestions based on your inputs. Just enter your details, like your current weight, height, age, and your goal, and the tool will generate a personalized weight loss plan for you. It can include daily calorie goals, workout suggestions, and meal plans tailored to your body and needs. It's a super helpful tool if you're trying to stay fit, lose weight, or just live healthier, all backed by AI. And that's it for today's video. We just took a deep dive into Global GPT, an all-in-one AI platform packed with powerful tools for text, image, video, coding, and even healthcare. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. The link to Global GPT is in the description. Just click it and start creating. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.